Hey guys, I'm Professor T, and I want to discuss a topic that I felt was important in today's business society. I wanted to talk about the personal characteristics of a business owner. To be an exceptional business owner, we have to be an entrepreneur that's superior in every way. And to be that person, we have to start with self-motivation. So self-motivation begins with us, and is developed as we go along. But it's displayed in our everyday and our every walk. And with that comes confidence. The confidence that we gain from this self-motivation allows us to press on and move forward. But while we do this journey, we have to be mindful and we have to have thick skin, because there will be trials and tribulations that prevents us or tries to stop us on our everyday journey of starting our business or being that exceptional business owner. And with that, we have to be willing to accept advice from others. And to be able to do that, we have to be open and willing to move forward. Well guys, that's all I have. Thank you for tuning in. Professor T approved. Thank you.